Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, we are going to be decluttering and organizing liners. We're going to do eyeliners this week. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of what I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, guys, so these are my eyeliners. My hands are so dry, I don't mind my hands. I'm just gonna roll up my sleeves because I'm already sweating. So this is it. I try to separate them from high-end and drugstore. So let me do that now just to separate them all. So let's do that now. I'm gonna put drugstore on this side. Over here, this is my drugstore. These are my drugstore eyeliners. And then these over here are my high-end. As a matter of fact, let's just put this one, I just have this heart. I just have my tape. I'm gonna just separate them just like that. You're all my hearts. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, so let's just start. I guess we'll start with this one. This is the hard candy. I have no idea. I think I might have picked this up at Walgreens. I don't even know. Some of these even have to be sharpened. Do they even? Oh, yes. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. And that is so smooth. Ooh, interesting. I can't remember the last time I ever touched this, but I'm definitely going to keep that. Okay, we're batting 1,000. These are the these are the NYX Epic eyeliners. And I believe this one is in black metal. I mean, see, I think it's these colors that I really don't wear anymore. Damn, but it's so pretty. Did you see how beautiful and soft that went on? Definitely going to keep this one. These are the ColourPop gel liners. They are so great. This one I got in Mr. Bing. And I don't think I ever used it. Did I? It doesn't look like it. Okay, that's pretty too. Lord. Okay, listen. Don't judge. Don't judge a sister. Don't judge a sister. This one is the Pixie. I think this was like the peach or the tan. Yeah, that's so pretty. That's like that you could put in your waterline. I really don't like to use like stark white in my waterline. I think it looks like a doll, like a fake doll, like one of those scary dolls, if you will. I like to get like an off-white, a beige, a peach. This one's really pretty. This one, it looks like it's old as dust. And I don't remember when was the last time I used it. And it is in carbon black. I really don't use black anymore. So I'm going to put this right over here in my declutter. Girl, you know how much I love this one. And as I'm looking through my stuff, I can't believe that I don't have a backup. You know how much I love this. This is the Essence Stay and Play eyeliner in But First Espresso. You know I wear this all the freaking time, so definitely a keeper. This one's another Epic Wear from NYX. I think it was the same formula as the black, that metallic black. Yeah, these are all so friggin' pretty. Listen, I gotta get out of my comfort zone and stop wearing the same thing over and over again. So that's a keeper. This is another NYX, let's see, the NYX eye pencil, just a regular eye pencil. And this is in dark brown. You could see a trend here. Oof, okay. I think I just gravitate to like the Stay and Play because it stays. You know what I'm saying? I love this one. This one is so beautiful. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama. You know how I feel about shimmers. This is so freaking pretty. And put it over here. Look how gorgeous that is. That's definitely a keeper. I have to see if there's any more colors because that is absolutely beautiful. This I think I wore 1 or 2 times, but these are so beautiful. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even show the other side, did I? It's got like this little brush here. At first, I'm like, what is this? This is so dumb, but it's so great like for smudging. Let me show you. I have a few of these. I think I have 2 or 3 of these, but let me just show you how beautiful. First of all, look how cool that tip is. Is that like the coolest thing ever? So let me just put it right here for you. I'll just use the tip of it. Look at that beautiful green. So, so pretty. And then I'm going to use the other side. Look at, I just want to show you how that, look at that, how that would smoke that out. Ooh, that's so nice. So I really, really love this. I have to start using it. Yep, I have that one. And I have this color, which it was kind of dumb to get like this color, like in a smudge version. Because what am I smudging though? You know, I'm not going to smudge. Like this is going to be in my waterline. I don't know. Maybe I could use it. Where else would I use this color? It is friggin' pretty though, right? Where the hell would I smudge it? Right? Where would I smudge it though? I'm wondering if I could do like under the eyebrow. You know, when you clean up your eyebrow, which of course I don't do, but I'm going to definitely keep that. Listen, we declutter one friggin' thing. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy Pencil. I don't think I've ever used this one. It's very thin. Is this an eyebrow pencil or an eyeliner? Hold up. Let me take a look. It says automatic pencil liner. Look at that. That is so thin. And it's even like, I think I'm going to declutter this one. I don't even know how old it is, but bye, Felicia. Okay, we decluttered 2 things. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. I love, love, love these Pixie Endless Silk pens. They're so nice. What color is this one? Hold up. Let me look. Because, you know, I always get like a shimmer underneath. That is what? Bronze Beam. Let me see here. But look, I think it dried out. Yeah. Look at that. That's all like crusty. So I'm going to definitely get rid of this one. That's too bad because I really love this color. So we're going to declutter that. And then this one, I didn't even open it. So I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep that one. And then this one is the NYX retractable liner in brown. Like how many of these did I get? Are they all the same friggin' thing? Let's see. Wow, that is really beautiful. They are so damn creamy. I don't know why I don't use them. Okay, and then last but not least, another one of these Epic Smoke liners. Yep, love them. I have to start using them. Okay, so that is it for the drugstore. So far I have these right over here. These are what I'm keeping. And these 3 I'm decluttering. Don't judge. Don't judge a sister. Okay, let's go to the high end here. As a matter of fact, let me just wipe this off real quick. Okay, you know how I feel about these Gwen Stefani's. I love them. Love, love, love. So these are the Gwen Stefani. These are the Give Line It Up liners. I love them. See, the thing is that I love, of course, who doesn't? The liners that stay. These are so nice. So I have one in Hopscotch, one in Green Pastures, which is absolutely beautiful, one in Hopscotch, and then the other one is Thunderbolt. They are so beautiful. They stay on, and they have that little bit of shimmer. So this is so, I mean, I wouldn't put this in my waterline. Love these. So these are definitely a keeper. This I'm going to get rid of. This is, what the hell is this? By Beauty, which of course no longer is around anymore. And I think this is like my only like liquid eyeliner. Is it? Yeah, girl, where am I going? I don't wear liquid eyeliner. And, you know, unfortunately, By Beauty is out of business. So this is a bye-bye. So that's that. Oops. And then this one, you know, this one is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This is like a plummy kind of color. I thought it was so beautiful. Can you see that? Let me go a little bit closer. Actually, let me see if I can come to this light. Can you see that, how beautiful that is? At first, I'm like, girl, it's going to look like you have pink eye, but it is so beautiful. Just don't wear it as much as I should, but I'm going to. Definitely a keeper. You know how I feel about my Wayne Goss. I have 1, 2, and 3. These are, did I grab the right one? Nope, grab the wrong one. Here, 1, 2, 3. They are so friggin' beautiful. These are kohl pencils. These, if you want a tight line with these, they're going to bleed immediately. But, you know, sometimes I like that look. But if you put them like right at your lash line and smudge them out, they are so, so beautiful. So this is what they look like right over here. You can tell like from the tip, which I appreciate. I love Wayne Goss, of where he puts his colors. Gorgeous. Of course, this is the black, this is the brown. And this one is called Copper Flame. Let's just swatch this one. I mean, look at that. Jeez, it almost looks like the Charlotte Tilbury, right? Almost. It's a little bit lighter. So anyway, these are definitely a keeper. Love, love, love them. And I absolutely love him. Did I grab that one? I did that one. Let me move this over here. These, what the heck is this one? Oh, is this a Patrick Ta liner? But I thought I never had his liners. Yeah. This is the Precise Gel Liner in copper gold. Okay, I never even knew I had this. Again, I like that shimmer. That's beautiful. I never even knew I had it. This is definitely a keep. And I'm definitely going to use these more often. Okay, I have... This is another one by Makeup by Mario. The cream color. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? And I love and appreciate that his are like legit like pencils, like wooden pencils. Love this. I'm going to go right to you, my man, because I could see you a mile away. You know how I feel about this. This is the Too Faced Killer Gel Liner in Killer Espresso. I wear this all the friggin' time. It's these two right here all the time. But you know what? I'm going to have to start incorporating more of them. See that? Didn't even know I had all these. This is the Makeup Forever. Now, you know how much I absolutely adored the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist pencil in, I forgot what, well, it was a brown, obviously, but I ran out of it because I found the Essence Stay in Play. And why did I spend all that money? But I had this one, but this one I think is in gray. Yeah, iron. I don't think I rarely, but it's, look at but it's so pretty. You know, like on those days where you want to wear like a black or a gray, this is absolutely beautiful. So that's a keeper. This one over here, what the heck is this one? Oh, do I have 4? Do I have 4 Wayne Goss? Oh, shish kabib, I guess I do. What the heck one is this one? Oh, this one is Rich Hazel. Yeah, look at that. Okay. I didn't even realize I have 4 of them. So these are definitely keepers. Love this one. This is the Natasha Denona. I don't know if this was limited edition. This was the Macro Tech Crayon. This beautiful green. So gorgeous. Look at that. Let's go this way. Look how beautiful that is. Can you see that? Gorgeous. So this is definitely a keeper. Oh, here's another one of the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist. But this was in Ivy. Again, it's like that plummy. Does this go up? Yeah. That plummy. I'm going to have to rethink this one. These plums, right? They're all the same, right? Although this one's a nice darker plum. Let me go up here. Yeah, like these 3 I'm going to have to think about because I really don't know how to use that color. But this is gorgeous. So that's definitely a keeper. These are from Mally. She's on QVC. And I don't remember when I got these. It's got to be years. Like, did I just freaking break it? I sure did. Look what I just did. Darn it. All right, let me just look at this one. Yeah, these are so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? This one is Milk Chocolate. Milk Chocolate. And was this one black? Oh, shish. That was Midnight Sky. Yeah, so that was Midnight Sky. It's actually like right over here. So it is black. But I just broke the tip off of it. You see what I just did? Darn it. Did they go up? No, I have to sharpen them. So I'm going to think about this one. I'm going to put it in the declutter because I'm going to think about it. But let me think about it. So I'm going to put it in the declutter. So this one we're going to put over here. Oh my gosh. See, I didn't even know I had these Patrick Ta eyeliners. This one is in burgundy. Like, again, I must have seen like some kind of video or something. But be careful with that. Because these colors, yeah, like, where am I going with these colors, though? I'm going to have to use them. Somehow, I'm going to have to use them. These are so, so beautiful. But I think my next go-around, I'll probably declutter. Because I just don't know where I'm going to use that color. And then this is the Stila, again, from 1912. I can't even remember the last time I used it. Or if it even works. Well, it does work, though. It is pretty, though. I'm going to keep it because you know how I feel about shimmers. Oh my God, look what I did with my hands. Yike, oops. And then last but not least, this is the Fenty Beauty Longwear Pencil. And this one is in because I'm black. I don't even know, like, does it work anymore? No. Well, it does. But it's very dry. So I think I'm going to discard that one. Plus, like, it's black. I really don't wear the black anymore. All right, so fine. I didn't declutter that much. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I decluttered about 6. Okay, so this is what I decluttered. I mean, it's not great. I'll admit it. It's not great. But anywho, yeah, so this is my drugstore eyeliner. And right over here, whoops, and here are my high-end. The problem is that I use the same 2 over and over again. So I'm definitely going to start incorporating more of these in my daily routine. So that is that. So let's start organizing. Okay, guys, so I have this bin that I keep in my bathroom, like in one of the drawers. I don't keep any of my eyeliners in the drawers in the back behind me. I don't keep them back there. I keep them in my bathroom, in my drawers. So anyway, why I do not know, but that's how it's always been. So I think I'm going to just take all the drugstore. So we're going to do all the drugstore. And let's see, we're going to put them in here. So we're going to put them in here like this. And then I'm going to take all the high end and put them right in here. Right? That'll work. I wonder if I can move this over. No, see, it won't even fit. Darn, or else this doesn't even fit in there. But anyway, so that is that. Let's go put it back. Okay, so that's that. This is where I usually keep them in my bathroom drawer with, you know, some powder, some highlighters. You know, we did all that. And, you know, just some extra toothbrushes. I got my sharpener there. Some hair clips, all that good stuff. And yeah, so that's it. These are the eyeliners. Okay, I confess we didn't do a good job, but I think the next go around we're gonna have to declutter a little bit more. But anyway, so that's it for the eyeliners. Yeah, I have tons and tons of liners that I really need to get through because I keep on using the same ones over and over again. But anyway, so that is it. So this is the declutter of my eyeliners. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.